Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to use the iPhone Screenshot Magnifier. Now let's say for example I want to take a screenshot of this screen, but of course I wanted to highlight a particular section. The magnifier actually allows that, and I'll show you how to find it. Alright, so you're going to hit power and volume up. Here you go, we have a screenshot. Now once you have the screenshot here, you're going to tap, you're going to look at the section here and you'll see I have a bunch of tools. So if I tap on this, which is the pencil icon, you'll get this icon here. Now of course this gives you a lot of abilities. So for example, if I hit the plus here right at the side, you'll see an option here that shows a letter and a magnification. That's called a loop, or it says add loop. So we're going to add loop. Now you can click anywhere outside, and here you have your magnifier. All right, now you can actually increase the area with the blue dot. All right, so here you go. So for example, let's say I wanted to magnify photos. Here we go, we have increases. Now we're going to magnify it. We turn the green one. There you go. So as you can see here, we can zoom right in. Right, and we can zoom all the way up. All right, it's best if it is more in frame. All right, so as you can see, the magnification is quite large. You can actually move it. So for example, see I've magnified that. Check out Instagram. This one is more centered, so I'm going to magnify Instagram. So as you can see there, let's say for example that's what we want to magnify. There you go, it has magnified it. All right, you can also crop if you want, and that's it. That's how you use the magnification, and that's how it is on newer devices like iPhone 17 or updated devices. When you're finished or satisfied, simply for the magnification, tap on the check mark and hit save to photos. All right, so if you go into your photos, all right, so here I'm in my photos, and this is the magnified screenshot. So regular screenshot with magnification. Hope that's helped, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.